This is the 48-inch Hampton Bay Palm Beach ceiling fan in galvanized texture white in the wind, apparently, and with rain. And this fan was made in Taiwan, not made in China. It's got 5 blades, of course, and it says the light oak side facing down. Here's the other side of the blades there. There's the Hampton Bay logo there. Really, without further ado, I'm just gonna put it on low speed. I've never really seen one with the light oak blades on YouTube before. Actually, stinking birds. I think it looks okay with the light oak blades. In my personal opinion, I think it just looks better with the white blades. Just the fact it matches in with the fan a lot better. Here's medium. Guys, just a warning, if you're buying a Hampton Bay Palm Beach in pretty much any ceiling fan in any sort of galvanized texture finishes or whatever, be careful you try not to accidentally chip the paint off of anything like I did with the down rod on this one. I chipped a bit of it off mistakenly. If you're able to fix it, it should be okay. This one's just fine. Just the way this is just makes it perfect. Just speaking just words of good wisdom, you know. Just saying what that Let It Be song by the Beatles would say, you know. And here's high speed. Wobbles a tiny bit. I don't know if you can see that on camera. It's thundering like crap out here. I better go inside. Other than that, that's the video. Goodbye.